Hello! In this video, we'll talk about the first steps for using your Skinetic. Getting to know your vest. First, let's have a look at what's in the box. The box contains the vest, the battery, the mesh lining, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Turning on the vest. First, we will attach the battery to the back of the vest and connect it to the Skinetic card. Push the power button, which is the one located at the top right side of the control module. Then, if the battery is properly plugged in, the rightmost LED should display a flashing green light. The haptic sensation corresponding to turning on the vest will be played. Once the firmware is ready, the rightmost LED will display a static green light. Now you're good to go. Wearing the vest. Wear the vest as if it was a regular vest. Zip the vest. Adjust the shoulder straps for adjusting the height of the vest. Then tighten the side straps, pulling the ones above from each side at the same time. Repeat the same procedure with the side straps from below. The vest should be tight, but not that much. Connecting the vest. To connect the Skinetic to your PC via USB, plug the USB-C cable at the top of the Skinetic card. The USB-A port should be plugged into the computer. The leftmost LED should be displaying a cyan light. If the rightmost LED is displaying a green light, it means that the vest is in the experimental audio streaming mode. To deactivate this mode, deselect the vest from the OS's audio output. Bluetooth connection. To connect the Skinetic to your PC via Bluetooth, click the sync button at the top of the Skinetic card on the left. Start the pairing procedure of the OS to add a new Bluetooth device. Select the Skinetic device you want to pair. Each Skinetic displays a unique serial number. This pairing procedure needs to be done once. After that, Skinetic will automatically connect to your PC when launching a mod or Unitouch Studio. The leftmost LED should be static blue when the connection was successfully established. Test the vest with Unitouch Studio. Go to skinetic.actronica.com. Download and install Unitouch Studio. Log in with your account or create one. At the upper right corner of the studio, click on No Device Connected. This will open the device connection panel. The panel will show the detected vests. Make sure that you select the desired serial number. If you don't see the vest, click on the Refresh button. Once the vest is connected, you will see that the circle next to the vest name will turn green. Close the device connection panel and go to the sensation library at the left of the studio's interface. Select an effect and a side you would like to test. Click on the play button of the sensation preview. You will feel the haptic effect on the side you have chosen. To turn off the vest, simply unplug the vest from the computer if it's connected through a USB port, and then push the power button. The rightmost LED will turn off and the vest will vibrate before turning off. It is important to unplug the battery from the wire connecting to the Skinetic card. This will prevent the battery from draining. Useful tips. Keep your vest in a dry, clean storage to avoid dust and humidity accumulation. Wash the mesh lining to avoid accumulating sweat and other particles that might damage the vest. Be sure to only run one application that uses the vest at a time.